From AL Lightech, we bring you the LED backup light head kits, 4-inch round and 6-inch oval options. These happen to be an example with the grommet and the 3-wire pigtail. If a stainless flange happens to be the option and the way you want to go, just select that on the drop-down menu, and the part numbers are going to change. How these lights work is they drop into the 4-inch round cutout or the 6-inch oval cutout. Shift the vehicle into a reverse, and a nice instantaneous output of white light you have. So benefit over incandescent is obviously an increased output, but a lighting hue change versus the washed out incandescent, now a nice vibrant white. And as I've been mentioning with the 4-inch round light heads, the orientation is very, very important. So the light is actually not a circular beam in these, but it actually stretches out to the left and to the right. So if the top is facing upwards, orientation of the beam is perfect for your vehicle. But if you happen to have them turned to an angle or completely sideways, that is going to affect the beam pattern. We've turned the studio lights off to demonstrate the orientation and beam output found in the 4-inch round backup lights. With top positioned as so, the beam orientation has a nice focus and stretch out to the right and to the left. But if the orientation is not correct, here you will notice how the beam and its focus is going to be counterintuitive to how this is actually going to work for you in illuminating the back of the vehicle. So that is the important thing when it comes to the 4-inch round. With the 6-inch oval, the reflector inside has been switched over. So when it comes to vehicles, because they're not always going to have a horizontal orientation, there's going to be vertical. The beam is going to maintain the same. So something to keep in mind there when it comes to the oval over the round. So there you have it, from our friends at AL Lightech to complete your vehicle's LED lighting system, the backup light kits.